big thank you for everyone who's turned up. This is our second event. I know we've got some faces that were at the first event, so it's amazing to see you back. We are super pleased. Don't leave this event not knowing people. That's the reason we put it together, is because a network opens up doors. So here we are back on our second event for Peak Performance Events. And I don't know, in fact, Faye, just pan around. This is just a networking. Not everyone's here because we've still got time at the moment. We're going to get rocking and rolling in a couple of minutes. We're expecting over 140, about 150 people. It's insane. Like, we are very overwhelmed with, well, there's a buzz. We've just behind here, we've got an incredible DJ, Ash, who's on TikTok. How have you found it, mate?
Like you said, overwhelming. So many people here, and obviously more to come. But I can't wait to hear what the guests have got to say, the speakers.
Yeah, the speakers make it. We've got incredible sponsors here. We're ready to get rocking and rolling. Me and Paul are going to jump up on stage soon, so stay tuned. It's going to get exciting, and we're going to drink cold water.
No one even knows I was there. I wasn't that important. And I hate to break it to you all, but actually, you're not as important as you think you are. Everyone's here for their own purpose. And if you come to these events and you don't bother to actually meet anyone new, what's the point of coming and paying all that money for the ticket?
Building a following does not happen overnight. I think we see so many people that have that viral moment, they have that big gain of followers, things like that. It's not that realistic. You really do have to make that commitment and plug away at it every single day to build your following and build your credibility on social media.
So we are hosting our second event. It's going very well.
It is. It's amazing turnout. The knowledge coming out of these speakers is insane, and I can't wait to watch it back. Don't feel like I'm fully absorbing it at the moment.
It was a massive rush. We've got a second speaker, Mr. Mark Wright, on stage at the moment. We're going to go to a networking break. Don't go anywhere.
Learn to delegate. If you can't delegate, you'll never be successful. You'll never have scale. Before you can be successful, you must believe you are successful. That person looking you in the mirror is the one that is making you successful or holding you back.
I couldn't find the job I was looking for, and I kept going to different companies, and I got so pissed off that I had to start it on my own. I came up with Tara Nash Real Estate. It took me ages to think of a name. It took me ages. You know, with anything you do, with any business, if you're not adding a solution, then you haven't got a business, because the solution's not there. People aren't going to see the value in it. What people are looking for is personal brand. Personal brand means you have got to be the direct connector between your audience and your product. Because I'm telling you, we sold a £7 million apartment through a TikTok video. £140,000 fee. You tell me that is not, that exposure doesn't bring you money.
That's just the hatred of fuel to fire. Got chillin' no kind.
If your actions are not working towards the result you're trying to get, then you are wasting your fucking time. And if you're trying to work a full-time job and to build a business, let me tell you something, there's not enough hours in the day. There is not enough hours in the day, and you're gonna fail because you haven't made sacrifices. Cut the shit, concentrate on what you need to do, sacrifice everything that is negative. If that's a relationship, friendships, fast food, not exercising, whatever it might be that's costing you that route, stop looking for validation and just execute it as if your life fucking depends on it.
Bill and Ben, the Flower Pot Men. Paul and I have just launched and successfully completed our second peak performance event. How amazing was it tonight?
Unbelievable. Absolutely. No words. No words at all.
We have been very in the moment tonight. It's been insane, it's gone well, it's been smooth. Don't get me wrong, we got a big old clear up to do. But my God, the feedback that we have had here in the moment is insane. Massive.
Yeah, and nobody can believe it's our second event. I mean, like, second event, 170 people checked in, 4
That's
amazing
insane.
speakers, amazing guests. I mean, like, there's a great guy here. Craig, do you want to come in? How'd you find it,
bro?
mate?
What are you doing?
How'd you find it, mate?
The event was absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Like the previous one, guys. I couldn't fault you, but this one's bigger.
So why'd you
and
turn
better.
up late?
Well, why were you late?
Bloody trains, mate.
Yeah.
Those bloody trains.
All right, give him the mic back. All right, you were late. We don't... But no, it's been incredible. We've just massively enjoyed it. I think there was a lot of value given. Final words, takeaways from tonight?
Final takeaway, just, I think the importance of branding. Just build your brand, be consistent, and go big or go home.
Momentum and fast growth. Compound, consistent, momentum, fast growth. And that is us finished.